Ever wished you had more control over your internet connection? For better speed, maybe a little more security? Well, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we're going to break down the Custom UDP app, a pretty neat tool that lets you build your own secure connections. So let's get into it.
So let's get right to it. Are you on the hunt for a way to create your very own secure, custom connections? Maybe your standard VPN just isn't cutting it anymore, or you need a very specific type of connection for something you're working on. That's precisely the problem the Custom UDP app was built to solve.
And hey, we're not going to waste your time. This is going to be quick and straight to the point. Over the next couple of minutes, you'll learn exactly how to find the right app, how to install it, and of course, how to actually use it. Ready? Let's jump right in. Okay, first things first, we've got to get the app onto your device. It's a super straightforward process, but listen up, because there's one really key detail you have to get right to make sure you have the correct one. It's the standard 3-step dance you're probably super familiar with, right? You're going to head to the Play Store, search for Custom UDP, download it, and then fire it up. But seriously, that second step, identifying the app, is the most important part of this whole process. Now, this is the crucial part, so pay close attention. When you search, you're probably going to see a few apps that look kind of similar. You have to make sure you're getting the official one. How do you do that? Check that the developer is listed as 12_5 Studios. That's your guarantee you're getting the right tool and not some copycat.
All right, so you've got the app installed and open. You'll land on the home screen. It looks pretty simple, but don't let that fool you. This is basically your command center. Let's break down what these options are all about.
The home screen really boils down to 3 main choices. You can create temporary servers that last for either 7 days or a full 30 days. Just think of these as your own private, secure pathways for your internet data. The third option lets you download a pre-made configuration file for another app called ZIVPN, which just helps streamline the setup if you happen to use both.
Now, for both those 7-day and 30-day servers, you've got 2 different modes to choose from, UDP Custom and UDP Request. Look, without getting lost in the technical weeds, these are just different ways of packaging up your data. Generally, UDP Request is going to be faster, which is awesome for things like streaming or gaming. UDP Custom, on the other hand, might give you a more stable connection on certain networks. It's all about having the flexibility to match the connection to what you need to do. And here's a little pro tip for you. Don't just stop at the home screen. Make sure you check out the side menu. While all the main functions are right there up front, that side menu is where you'll find the more advanced settings to really fine-tune your connections and get things working just right.
So there you have it. You know how to find the app, how to install it, and what the main features do. So what's next? Well, the best way to really understand a tool like this is to just dive in and start using it.
And actually, the developer has a pretty simple request. If you download the app and you find that it helps you out, think about leaving a review. That kind of feedback is incredibly valuable, especially for independent developers, and it helps them make the tool even better for everyone else.
And that's our whirlwind tour of the Custom UDP app. It's a really straightforward tool that's all about giving you more power over your connection. So, now that you know the basics, the only real question left is this the right tool for you? There's only one way to find out. Give it a try and see for yourself. Thanks for tuning in.